Hello everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Adhek Novianti. You can call me Ayu. I was born in Kendal on November 25, 2002. Currently, I live in Kendal, Central Java. Now, I study at White Hashim University located in Semarang. I take the Management Study Program, Faculty of Economics, second semester. Here, I will explain the story of the Google company, its subsidiaries, and their products. Google started as a project undertaken by two young men named Larry Page and Sergey Brin in 1995. At the time, the two graduate students at Stanford University collaborated to develop a search engine called Adhek, which was operated using a server on their campus. In 1997, Larry and Sergey renamed Berkaitan to Google. Google is a mathematical term for the number 1, followed by 100 zero. This name was taken to explain Google's mission as a repository of unlimited information on the internet. However, the investor apparently misspelled Google name for Google and wrote it down and on the check. It makes Brin and Page finally stop using the name Google for their search engine. The search engine they created was registered as Google.com on September 15, 1997. A year passed. In 1998, Larry and Sergey started to introduce Google by launching a monthly newsletter called the Google Friends newsletter. Google is one of the digital companies that is aggressively acquiring startups that have potential. Until now, there have been hundreds of startups that have been acquired by Google since 2010. If on average, then Google has acquired more than one company every week. Success with search engine. Google is not just complacent, they even continue to develop innovation in creating various technologies to make it easier for many people in terms of accessing the internet and other needs. So do not be surprised to make it happen. Google created and acquired many companies that may be familiar to our ears. Therefore, here are some of the subsidiaries made by Google. The first one is YouTube. YouTube is a video sharing website created by 3 former PayPal employees in February 2005. The site currently allows its users to upload, watch, and share video. A year after it was founded, Google finally decided to buy YouTube for a value of $1.2 billion, so that after that YouTube officially operated as a part of Google. The second is Motorola Mobility. Motorola Mobility is a company from the United States engaged in the technology industry sector, which creates various types of telecommunication devices from smartphone to smartwatch. The company itself was founded in 2011 and has created a wide range of smartphones from the Motorola Moto X, Moto G, and Moto E, and at the same time a Moto 360 type smartwatch. The third one is Android. Android was officially launched in 2007 in conjunction with the founding of the Open Handset Alliance, which is with it a consortium of hardware, software, and telecommunication companies that adheres to advanced open standard for mobile device. The first Android device went on sale in October 2008 and was equipped with various software from Google. Call it Gmail, Play Store, Maps, and so on. No wonder for the reason why all Android phones use Google service. After we know the history and the subsidiaries of Google, then I will tell you the products that are produced and the ones that are used most often. The first is Google Search. Google Search is the most popular Google product. All the information you need will be fulfilled by accessing this Google Search. Because of its completeness, that's the reason Indonesians call it Bah Google. Not even a few browsers that set Google Search as their default search engines. The second is Blogger. Blogger is product from Google that was originally intended for the those who really like writing. However, with the development of technology and the increasing use of the internet, bloggers have become a source of income for some people. The service provided are free of charge. The third is Gmail. Gmail is a service from Google Inc., which is intended for the purpose of sending and receiving electronic mail. A number of web developers admit Gmail was the first service to use the Ajax programming language. Okay, that's my explanation about the history, subsidiaries, and products of the Google company. It's time for me to say goodbye. Thank you.